Shallow breathing can leave you tense and tired. This simple full body breathing practice opens your chest, belly and diaphragm, restores energy, and helps you feel calm and centered. Let's begin. Come onto your back and allow your body to settle. Take a moment to stretch out, reaching through your arms and legs. Take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. Once more. Inhale deeply and exhale, letting your body soften completely. Slowly place your feet on the mat, hip width apart. Keep your arms resting overhead. Stay here for a few deep, steady breaths. With each inhale, feel your belly, rib cage, and chest expand. With each exhale, let your body relax and sink further into the mat. On your next exhale, guide your arms back toward your body. From here, we begin the practice. As you inhale, let the arms reach back overhead, creating space through the front of the body. Exhale as the arms return toward your sides, allowing your 3 breathing areas, belly, diaphragm, and chest, to gently release. If you are unable to fully extend your arms overhead, place a blanket under your arms. This will support your shoulders and shoulder girdle, allowing your arms to rest completely and fully relax when lifted overhead. Move slowly and mindfully, letting the breath guide the movement. Continue at your own pace, in and out, feeling the expansion and release of your breathing areas. Now begin to include the spine in your movement. Inhale as the arms move overhead, gently extending the spine. Exhale as the arms return, engaging the pelvic floor and abdominal muscles. Let the lower back soften into the mat. Keep the movement smooth and controlled. Nothing is forced. Just observe how your breath guides your body. Continue for a few more cycles, allowing your body to move naturally with each inhale and exhale. Allow your legs to relax and fall open. Place both hands softly on your abdomen, feeling the natural rhythm of your breath. When you are ready, roll onto your side. Stay here for a few breaths, noticing how the breath moves through your body. Then slowly come up to a seated position. Carry this sense of ease, openness, and energy with you into the rest of your day.